How to remove a Gmail account from Android. So in this video, I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to remove a Gmail account from your Android device. After you open your mobile phone, now go to Gmail application. After you open the Gmail app like this, now tap on your profile at the top. So after you tap on this profile, here you can be able to see all the list of the Gmail account that you have on your mobile phone. So now scroll to down and choose the one that you want to remove. So for me, let's say I wanted to remove like this one. As you can see now, just select the one you want to remove. I want to remove, let's say, this one. After you select the one that you want to remove, just tap on this, tap on the profile again. After you tap on the profile again, as you can see now, so scroll all the way to down. After you scroll to down, tap on this manage account on this device, this one. So from this option now, it will give you the list of all your Gmail account. Now scroll to down. So in this option now, go and select the Gmail account that you want to remove again. So if I scroll to down, here is Gmail account. So I'll select it by tapping on it. After you tap on the Gmail account, so now if I tap on this remove button, now it will remove the Gmail account from my Android phone. Just tap on the remove button, it will remove the Gmail account from your Android phone. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share.